The siren baby is unique because of resemblance to mermaid of Greek and Roman mythology, which was depicted as having the head and upper body of a human and the tail of a fish. Now let's start with our case. A 26-year-old primary gravida with 33 weeks pregnancy was admitted with labor pains. She had not received antenatal care in this pregnancy. She has no history of diabetes. There was no family history of genetic or congenital anomalies. During admission, ultrasonography of patient revealed a dichorionic diamniotic twin life pregnancy. First fetus was vertex with maturity of 33 weeks. Second fetus was breech with maturity of 29 weeks and showed oligohydramnios, renal agenesis and fused lower extremities. A spontaneous vaginal delivery resulted in a baby of approximately 30 to 34 weeks gestation weighing 2 kg and a second baby of approximately 30 to 33 weeks gestation weighing 1.8 kg. We are going to see the second baby now. Now let's see our mermaid baby. Facial features of this baby consist of epicanthal fold, hyperteloris, large low-set ears, flat nose and receding chin, all of which are fitting in Potter's faces. It should be noted here that Potter's faces is a set of facial characters seen in babies with severe oligohydramnios seen secondary to renal agenesis, which is present in this baby. If you observe carefully, you will find that there are 5 fingers in this right hand and 6 fingers in this left hand. Further examination reveals a flexed single lower extremity with lack of external genitalia. Low set ears, quite evident. This seems to be a blind opening of anus, which is not formed in this baby. Lower part of body mermaid-like. Whole body AP view radiograph was ordered to evaluate this baby further. You can count 12 pairs of ribs with crowding on the left side. Bilaterally, lungs in this baby seem to be white out. If you observe carefully at lumbosacral region, you will find that lumbar and sacral vertebrae are deformed besides bony pelvis. Lower limb in this baby comprises of a single femur with broad distal metaphysis with 2 ossification centers and single tibia. Fibula and foot are absent, leading to characteristic mermaid appearance of these babies. Mermaid babies result from insufficient mesoderm formation in the caudalmost region of the embryo in the beginning of the 3rd week of development when gastrulation is initiated. Caudalmost region of mesoderm contributes to formation of the lower limbs, urogenital system and lumbosacral vertebrae. As a result, abnormalities in these structures ensue.